Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of chia seeds, a tiny superfood with big health benefits and a few important things to watch out for. Whether you're new to chia seeds or looking to understand more about their effects, stick around. By the end, you'll know all the pros and cons so you can enjoy them safely. Let's start with why chia seeds are so popular. 1. Blood sugar control. Chia seeds are known to help regulate blood sugar levels. By slowing down carb digestion, they can help prevent blood sugar spikes, which is especially helpful for those monitoring glucose levels too. Blood pressure benefits. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3s and antioxidants, which may contribute to lower blood pressure, supporting heart health in the process. 3. Bone health and nutrients. They're packed with essential nutrients like calcium and magnesium, making them a powerful ally for bone health. Just 1 ounce provides nearly 18% of your daily calcium needs. 4. Weight loss support. Thanks to their high fiber content, chia seeds can help you feel fuller longer. This can support weight management goals by curbing hunger naturally. But remember, just because they're small doesn't mean you can go overboard. Here are some side effects to keep in mind. Side effect. Number 1, digestive issues. With 11 grams of fiber per ounce, chia seeds are a fiber powerhouse. But too much fiber without enough water can cause bloating and constipation. Start small and drink plenty of water. Side effect number 2, prostate cancer concerns. Chia seeds are high in ALA, alpha-linolenic acid. While beneficial, studies are mixed on its connection to prostate cancer risk, so consult your doctor if you have concerns. Side effect number 3, choking hazard dry. Chia seeds expand in liquid and can pose a choking risk. To be safe, soak chia seeds for at least 10 minutes before eating. Side effect number 4, medication interactions. Chia seeds may lower blood sugar and blood pressure, which is great. Unless you're on medication for these, they can amplify the effects of your meds, so talk to your doctor if needed. Side effect number 5, allergic reactions. While rare, chia seed allergies do happen. If you notice any dizziness, swelling, or breathing issues, stop and seek medical help immediately. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more health tips every week. Thanks for watching.